Hello, I wanted to share what I was planting here. So here I have some garlic that I planted before, and these two are just little palm seeds that are growing. I'm not taking them out because I just like to see that something green is growing. Over here I have a pearl onion. So let me show you. My daughters here are playing with it. I found them at the store, the pearl onions, and that one had the little green stem coming out. And then this other one, this other baggie is of shallots. So what I'm doing is I am planting these with the little roots, because this is where the roots come from, facing down. And then I will water it, and I will use them for my, so that the stems that will come out, I use them for my cooking. And so I'm planting a few over here. I will water it, and then we can have an endless supply of flavorful stems of garlic, shallots, and pearl onions. Yes, keep on talking. Yeah? Fun, huh? Yeah. And you will see that sometimes there's a green little stem that grows if you were to leave those in the refrigerator in a plastic bag because of the humidity. So yeah, so we're going to plant some of them, and other ones we're going to eat them in soups and anything. Yeah, that's really growing. Oh, good job. That's growing. Sí, está creciendo. Very good.